everyone, this is Dr. Veena and you are watching my YouTube channel Dr. Veena, your homeopath. Well, today's topic which we are going to discuss is about a skin condition called vitiligo. We will be discussing about vitiligo in detail and then we will find out its homeopathic treatment and management. Let's start. Friends, vitiligo is an autoimmune skin disorder. Now, what happens in vitiligo is there are skin cells which are called melanocytes, and melanocytes produces a chemical which is called melanin, and this melanin is responsible for pigmentation. Since it is an autoimmune disorder, the melanocytes are destroyed by our own body's response, and hence melanin is not formed and pigmentation will not happen, depigmentation will happen, and hence the whitish patches on the surfaces of the patient. Now, each and every patient have their own patterns of these white patches. For example, some of them have mucosal pattern where the whitish patch is around the lips, even in genital areas. Similarly, some of them have side affections, like they have these white patches around the hands, finger sides, legs, toe sides, even the elbows or joint, knees, there only. Similarly, there can be generalized pattern. These patches are here and there is no specificity, it can be anywhere. Similarly, it can be like bull's eye pattern, where in center there will be a dark circle and around it there will be whitish patch and then the normal skin. Now let's find out who all are at risk. Those who are already having autoimmune conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, Addison's disease, diabetic type 1 or thyroid autoimmune disorders. They are higher risk, they have higher chances. Similarly, those who have genetic or family histories, they are also very prone to it. One more important thing is the triggering factors. If we take the case of these patients, many of them, they have said certain environmental factor, maybe stress, tension, even the light, the rays of sunlight, it all triggers their condition and flaring up is there. So friends, this was all about the basic things about vitiligo. Now let us start how, as a homeopath, how the treatment proceeds. Foremost, very important thing to understand is vitiligo is not at all a harmful condition. It is a very superficial skin condition. But the taboo around it, but the tension around it is too much that the patient himself or herself make themselves secluded from the society. So for most, before treating any homeopathic medicine, we have to counsel the patient. We have to clarify, we have to make them understand that this condition is not harmful, the taboos around, the myths around, we have to clarify, we have to give them the confidence. Homeopathic medicine is just not, I won't say that you give the medicine and it is completely cured the other day. It need patience, it need time. For some it takes 3 months, for some it takes 6 months, 1 year, even more, depending on patient to patient. Now, we will be now discussing what all medication we have to give to these vitiligo patients. Well friends, there are many medicine, but the backbone of any medication, any homeopathic medication is proper case taking. After taking proper case, we need to find a proper simillimum. Maybe the potency we have to increase. If there is no response or no relief, potency can be increased. And apart from that, we need to counsel the patient. In today's topic, we are going to discuss one very important and specific medicine for vitiligo, which is called Bouchi oil. Now, let me show you. I have this 100 ml bottle of St. George's oil Bouchi. Well, Bouchi is also, we call it Bouchi oil also. Now, this is made from a plant kingdom, and from the seeds of this plant Bouchi, the seeds are, from the seeds, this medicine is prepared. Now, oil of Bouchi, this Bouchi plant is utilized in other pathies also, like in Ayurveda also. It is generously used for vitiligo cases. And in homeopathic, in homeopathic treatment also, oil Bouchi has given fantastic results. Now, how to use it, how to, apply this oil? Just you take a cotton and, in the cotton, you put this oil Bouchi and apply on the affected area. We have to help the patient to understand the triggering points. They have to avoid it. They have to be taken, proper counseling has to be given. And thirdly, oil of Bouchi really helps. Now, let's conclude this condition. Vitiligo, as I said, it is a very superficial disease, but mentally, its impact on not only on the patient but the parents, the family, the first, caregivers is too much. So counseling has to be done. Secondly, proper case taking with the help of proper simillimum, give the medicine, and along with that, oil of Bouchi is a wonderful, wonderful homeopathic medicine which is helpful in vitiligo cases. So friends, if you like my video, you felt that this is something which is educational, please like and subscribe, and yes, hit that bell icon also. Till then, thank you and goodbye.